Bumble didn't make it.
Don't worry, Missy. He'll catch up. Bumble's always bounce back.
If my hunch is right, the toy taker will lead us right to the missing toys.
Oh, Rudolph, look at them. They're in some kind of trance.
The toy taker's flute must pack some kind of hocus-pocus voodoo power.
Don't worry, Mr. Kite. We're here to rescue you.
Intruders!
Not so loud!
You're not toys.
We're friends of Santa.
And we want his toys back.
Surrender, ya hooligan! We got you surrounded.
Do you? Sorry you can't stay for the holidays. Ta-ta!
Rudolph! No!
Clarice, you saved me.
And I earned my wings!
Can't hold on much longer.
Darn!
Got you now.
Why, that little allow me.
Hey! You're messing up my blimp! What's that behind you?
Ha! I ain't falling for that old trick. Get on! Sorry, mate. That...
Cornelius, no!
Oh, brother!
Oh dear. Looks like our friend Yukon Cornelius is done for. Or is he?
Paws off, you yuckity yeti!
We're losing altitude!
Try to save the Misfits.
Aye, aye, Captain.
We've got a date with the toy taker.
Let's go!
Keep that light away from me.
Rudolph, he's scared of your light! Keep it glowing!